Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see a question on momentum. Momentum is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics M1. The question I've taken from November 21, variant 4.1 question 2. According to syllabus, you need to know what is linear momentum, what is the conservation of linear momentum, the direct impact of two bodies, and when bodies coalesces. So the important thing is whenever you're studying, you need to know what are the concepts you need to have command on. One more thing before I show you the question. This is my website address. I have put up all the topics here and all the videos I have made so far are attached in the topic. So if you just click on it, you will get the videos. So it's a good resource for revising the topic. So let's see the question. In momentum, the very important thing is when you read the question, draw the sketch, draw the diagram. This really helps to understand the question very quickly. So in this question, we are talking about two bodies of mass km kg and m kg, right? So I have drawn here the diagram you can see here. Now it is shown here that bodies are moving toward, like A is moving toward B with the speed 6 meters. Now direction I have taken here, choice is yours, which directions you want to take, which side you want to drop bodies at, as long as you are moving toward each other. Second thing is convention. Mostly when we show the direction in the right hand side, we use it as a positive velocity. And when we are showing it on the negative side, left hand side, sorry, we show it with the negative. So this is convention. You can take it otherwise, other way around also. And similarly, the body B is moving with velocity B, the mass you don't know. So I have mentioned here these things. Another important thing is after the collision, the bodies are coalesces. They are combining together. So I have shown here. Now the point here is, in the question, I don't know what is the direction after the bodies combine together, right? Why did I take this direction? So now here you have to use understanding that the momentum of body A, like momentum is what? Mass into velocity, right? Mass into velocity. So if I do, and it is mentioned here, K is greater than 1. If I multiply 6 times Km or I multiply 2 times M. Now forget about sign. Sign is just the direction. I'm talking about magnitude. So 2M and 6 Km. Definitely 6 Km is a bigger magnitude. So the impact will be that after the collision, the bodies will move towards right? And that's why I have taken this arrow here in the direction of right side. So now according to law of conservation of momentum, what happens? This system of A and B, right? This system of A and B. Before the collision, whatever the momentum is, it will remain the same after the collision. And that's why we write the equation here. If you see here, I have written here MAVA. This is just a symbol to understand that I'm taking mass and velocity of body A, then mass and velocity of body B. And I'm simply substituting the values. Similarly, I'm doing here. Together their mass and their velocity. And then simply solving this equation, and it will help me to get the value of K. I hope this is clear to you. Find in terms of M, now this is important, find in terms of M the loss of kinetic energy due to the collision. Now when he's talking about kinetic energy loss, so what comes in your mind? You will simply find the kinetic energy before the collision of body AB and then after the collision of body AB and subtract the two kinetic energies. So we know the formula for the kinetic energy is half mv square. Right? So I am taking it for body A and for body B. So I have substituted these values here and simply calculating it. And it will be in terms of M. The value of K I will substitute later. If you want to substitute at this stage, you can. Choice is yours. And then final KE. So I have combined the masses of two bodies and then simply solving it. So I got one expression from here in red, you can see, and the other expression from here in purple color. Now loss in kinetic energy, to find out the difference, you are simply subtracting the two kinetic energies and you got here 24 m joules, right? So this is how you will solve the question. I hope it makes sense to you. Please press like and subscribe. if you understood, if you like it, and share it with your friends. Take care. Thank you.